Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hopefully you are fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English Primer B. Today our topic is numbers. Students, in this lecture we will recognize the numbers. So first of all, look at the picture. How many books are there? Count with me. There is only one book. Next one. How many trees are there? Count with me. 1, 2. There are 2 trees. Another one is, how many boys are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 boys. Another one is girls. How many girls are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 girls. Here are hens. How many hens are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 hens. Here are baskets. Count with me. How many baskets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 baskets. Here are balls. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 balls. Here are cups. How many cups are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cups. Here are taps. How many taps are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 taps. Last one is pens. How many pens are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 pens. Okay dear students, it's our today lesson. Hopefully you have got it. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.